I'm Bill McCormick, President and founder of Peak Selling. I'd like to use this overview to tell you about our coaching kits for sales managers and how they can help you and your sales team. Prior to starting my own sales training company, I was a sales manager for many years. I often use my sales meetings to do some skill building. Unlike the typical sales meeting, where most of the time is spent reviewing sales figures and providing updates, I saw firsthand that skill building sessions energized my sales meetings and built a stronger sales team. That's why we designed these coaching kits. We want to give you the tools to do the same thing. Develop the skills of your salespeople, energize your sales meetings, and build a stronger sales team. Specifically, how can these coaching kits benefit you? 3 ways. First, and most importantly, use these coaching kits to improve your sales results. Each kit focuses on critical competencies to help your people retain and grow business, such as responding to likely objections, selling more to existing accounts, and selling on value, not price. For a full list of our coaching kit topics, go to online training on our website and select the Coaching Kits for Managers page. The second way that it benefits you is that you receive everything needed to do this yourself and at a fraction of the cost of using an outside training company. Third, because each skill building session only takes 1.5 hours or less, you have a lot of scheduling flexibility, which means that the training doesn't interfere with optimal sales time. For example, use a coaching kit as a short kickoff morning meeting with your team or as a lunch and learn event. What do you receive with each coaching kit? We've designed 5 main things to help you prepare and lead each session. First, because many sales managers prefer not to lecture, each kit includes a short teaching video of a peak selling consultant teaching the key skills. You'll show this video at suggested times. Your main role is to give relevant examples and lead the practice activities. You do not have to prepare or give any lectures. Second, participant handouts and planning forms are available for you to download and then print for all attendees. These handouts summarize key teaching points and include practice activities. You print as many copies as you need and don't incur the cost to purchase any external training manuals. Third, you'll receive manager's notes that provide detail on the agenda and timing. This shortens the planning time for you to lead each session. Fourth, there is a teaching tips handout that provides practical advice on how salespeople learn best and tips on how to facilitate activities such as role play exercises. Finally, if you have any questions while preparing to use a coaching kit, contact us for a free consultation.